Hi, Happy New Year. 恭喜發財. Today, I will show you how to make a dumpling like this, dumplings. And in China, especially the New Year, people usually to make dumpling because the shape of the dumpling look like the gold or silver of of the Asian time money of China. And not just eating the dumpling together, and another thing, when they are making the dumpling together, that's the fun part of the family in the Chinese Eve. So that's really exciting for people when they are away home and then come back to reunion during the springtime, and then they were gathering to make this dumpling together. And they have different kinds of filling inside the dumpling. You can use carrot, zucchini, or whatever you have, or maybe you can use Chinese cabbage, or you can use squash. Whatever you have, you can put that inside. And also you can use meat, like pork or beef or seafood or shrimp, any kinds of thing you like, just put inside the wrapper, and then they will have a really delicious meal together. And today I will show you how to make the spinach and pork together. And then first, I need to wash the spinach, and then after that, I will boiling of water, and then put this into the boiling water. Just a few minutes that it turns color. Just make it soft, and then I will put that into the cold water or ice water. Let it cool down. Let it cool down, and then I will drain it and put the water out like this. And then I will cut it really small and put that into the bowl. And I will mix the ground pork and the vegetable together. And depend on if you like the meat more, and then you can put more meat, or if you want vegetable more, and then you can put more inside. But the ratio for me is 1:1 that's the best. So I just put that inside one bowl together. And then I will seasoning it. Garlic, yeah, put some garlic, pepper and salt, some sugar, and some sesame oil, and also some cornstarch. And then just mix it. And then today the wrapper, I just bought the instrument. I didn't make that the wrapper. That's a quick way we can do it. And then we need to prepare some water. The water is like a glue. We can glue the wrapper together. Now, we just put the filling in the center of the wrapper, just like 1 spoon, like this. And then use your finger to dip the water, like this. And then just put around the edge of the wrapper and then fold it. This is an easy way. You can just fold it like this, two together. This is a really, really easy way. That's one. And then, or you can make something fancy too, like put the meat inside and then put some water glue like this, and then put into the middle, or you can make a square like this, like you see, like this, and this way to the center too, and then glue it together, and then you have a square one like this. Or you can make other kinds too, like put some meat in the center and then put some water around the edge and like that. From the end of this, just press one, and then use your finger, just make some forward like this. Just keep folding, and then this finger to put this inside, and then this finger continue to fold it until the end. Now you have this kind. Like this. Okay, but the easy way is just fold it inside and then that's it. Okay, one more time. You can have, I just repeat the easy one, just press this together, and then that's the easy way. And you can use the two hands, like press it. Oh, sorry, I press it like this. It have, that's the easy way too. Just use your two hands and press it together like this, and then it will have some a little bit of shape in here. Okay, the water is boiling. Now just put this dumpling. Oh, let it boil more. And put the dumpling inside. And boil for like 1 or 2 minutes. Boil for 1 or 2 minutes, and you can turn the heat down a little bit. You can see it. You see it through. That means it's cooked. So this is the one way, or you can steam it for like 20 minutes and then should be okay. You can eat it right away, and then you can put some soy sauce or some ginger with soy sauce or vinegar, and then to dip it. That's one way. In China, some people like normal, they will put 1 or 2 corn inside, and when someone eat the dumpling have a corn inside, it's really lucky for the new year. Thank you for watching, and then hope you learn how to make this easy dumpling making, and good luck in the new years, and 恭喜發財 again, and bye.